to channel Deepakmedic Pharmacy. So today is the pharmacist day. So we are the celebrate the pharmacist day. So first of all that the first our competition is Rangoli competition. Let's we are define you how to Rangoli competition is here. So sir, so please comment the how the Rangoli is good or not. तो प्लीज़ कमेंट इट। तो वीडियो को पूरा देखिए और चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ।